Hello everyone, and welcome back to our introduction to OPCloud. Today we're going to start the advanced OPCloud features. In today's session, we're going to talk about stereotypes, specifically OPM stereotypes, and how to use them in OPCloud. The first thing we need to know is that stereotypes are not created lightly. It is something that an admin should create. As a modeler, you can use either stereotype created by the admin of your organization or a general stereotype in OPCloud. Let's see how we do it. First, once we have a thing, an object, or a process, we can anchor them to a stereotype. I will select the thing, go to the group extension, and select the set stereotype. This will open the set stereotype screen. I can select the stereotypes available for me, either from my organization or generally available in OPCloud. You can distinguish them by their icon. Let's say we want to anchor the embedded. I'm selecting it, and either by double-clicking it or the Set Stereotype button, it will anchor my stereotype. As you can see, in the OPD tree, there will be a new node called Stereotypes with the stereotype added. I'm selecting it, and this is how the stereotype looks like. You may see that in the stereotype, we have subcomponents, and in those, we can set the range of each thing. We will talk about that later. If I will go back, the same can be done for the process. We'll select the process, go to the set stereotype, and select the stereotype matching our thing. This is the stereotype of the security level computing. Please note that you cannot change the stereotype. This is just a view, and the specific component is within the thing. If we want to see it, we can either use the bring connected thing or the semi-folding, folding, in-zooming, and other options. If I want to remove a stereotype, I can open the entity extension group and either unlink the stereotype, unlink and remove all the components. The difference is if I've added to my diagram parts of the stereotype that I want to leave within it, even if I'm unlinking the stereotype, they will be existing after I remove them. If I delete them, it will delete them from my diagram, like that. Let's see another option. If I'm removing the stereotype, you can see that the stereotype is gone. Let's try to set and anchor a different stereotype, the sensor stereotype. If I'm setting the sensor, you can see that the anchoring it to the main thing will also change its essence. As a sensor is a physical, you can see that it was changed from informatical to physical. You can also see that two stereotypes were added to my diagram. One of the sensor, and the sensor itself has within it another stereotype, the property set, which we already see. Again, those cannot be changed. Those are for view only. If I want to bring them to my diagram, I should use the bring connected thing here. And then I can arrange them to look at them nicely. Thank you.